Next one is horizontal motion. What is horizontal motion? When objects are connected by string and a force F is applied horizontally. So the type of motion is called horizontal motion. So in this case, mass M2 is kept on a horizontal table and mass M1 is hanging through a small pulley. Assume that there is no friction on the surface. As both mass are M1 and M2 are connected by a light and inextensible string. If M1 moves with an acceleration A downward and M2 also move with the same acceleration A horizontally. From this activity you will find out tension and acceleration. Before you find out this, first you should draw the free body diagram of mass M1 and M2. So this is the free body diagram of mass M1 and mass M2. So here in the mass M1, the gravitational force acts in the downward direction and then tension force acts in the upward direction. So here total force can be calculated by using the Newton's second law. So Newton's second law is F equal to m into A. So here F is nothing but total force, isn't it? So here total force is nothing but T minus m1 into G equal to, instead of m you are using this mass. So here m1 into acceleration. So here m1 moving downward. So what about the acceleration? Acceleration also moving downward direction. So that's why I am putting minus. Okay, next we will find out the magnitude. Means first you should multiply it with my negative sign in both sides. Okay, and finally we will get the result as minus T plus m1 into G equal to m1 into A. This equation is 1. Next we will find out the free body diagram of M2. So here gravitational force always acting downward direction and then tension force, here what? Normal force. Okay, so because in this diagram the gravitational force acting on the downward direction and then the normal force exerted by the surface, isn't it? So here this is the normal and then tension force where you are acting, this side is tension force. Okay, so right hand side the tension force will be act, that is horizontal direction. Okay, but here the object cannot move in the upward direction because gravitational force and normal force are cancel to each other. So the object move only in the horizontal direction. So here how many forces are acting? Only one force, isn't it? Okay, so here calculated the total force using the Newton's second law, F equal to ma. So here only one forces are acting, that force is tension force, isn't it? So here mass is m2. Okay, acceleration is the which direction? In the horizontal positive direction. So this is positive. Okay, so this is equation 2. Now we are adding the equation 1 and 2. Finally we will get the result as m1g equal to A into m1 plus m2. Okay, from this equation I want to calculate A, means this equation become like this. So A equal to m1 into G divided by m1 plus m2. Next we will find out the tension. How will you find out? Using this equation, equation 3, substitute in equation 2. So substitute means we will get the result as T equal to m2 into m1g divided by m1 plus m2. This is the tension force acting on the horizontal direction. Next you are comparing the vertical motion and horizontal motion. In both cases it is clear that the tension in the string for horizontal motion is half of the tension for vertical motion for same set of masses and string. So here the vertical motion 2 means the horizontal motion is 1. Okay, it is half of the tension for vertical motion. Thank you.